triangle or an arm drag. So option one is you just roll out and you get your guard back. Right? It's kind of the drill, getting our guard back. So with this, as we roll inside shoulder, when I have a good base, once I get in this position when he passes, I'm gonna find my base from that all fours position here. Right? He's got, kind of a who's got who type of effect. I was affecting his base by here. Right? We'll get it that way. But that, like, he was pushing in because I was pushing back into him. So we get to playing this push-pull game. There's a lot of techniques in it. Right? So, he passes. I'm finding my base here. And as I roll out, okay, for defense, I'm thinking about strikes with this hand, right? So I just kind of am following that bicep, tricep, forearm with my elbow here. And this foot is on his hip, okay? And the more he tries to drive into me, the more I push away with that foot on the hip and my shoulders walk. Then I can grab and lock. Okay, and we'll go a couple more details there. All right, so here, finding my base, I roll out here. Okay, if he's striking, I'm blocking here. Okay, he started adding levels of stress here. Look, if he's not driving into me a bunch, I'm gonna need to stop him from posturing up by grabbing the head. Okay, and then this is just like a controlling the range, right? Not gonna stop them from coming into you, but I can block. Like I can block here. That's what this leg's doing. So I've got this, and at the moment I'm ready, I reach up. Okay? I may have to shoulder walk. I reach up, I lock, and then I go back to the head, and then I lightly raise. Okay? So let's see the whole sequence with you. So take a second to find your base. So again, somebody rushed that knee slide pass here, right? I'm trying to, okay, well, this is in the way, right? So he rolls out while I'm trying to assess. Boom. Foot on that hip, yeah. Okay, grab that head. It's just an added detail. Yeah. Right? One I did not teach for a long time. And I'm just teaching it because that's the way we worked on it when I was in California. I was in Richard Wrestling. So, it's and think about it, it's what are some of the defensive opportunities? Somebody might posture up, right? They might drive into you. I do both. Kind of my A and B on that, right? If you miss the triangle, because organically one time you're gonna miss it, but organically one arm in, one arm out happens on this sequence. Okay, so do one more pass on me, please. So as I'm here and I roll out, and there's no triangle, there's gonna be a drag. As I sit up, as I just did, I kind of pendulum my leg, right? I pull here, right? Then I can start taking the back, start extracting this leg into a hook, setting seat belts, breaking it down to rear mount. Okay? So you can just roll out an arm drag, right? That is a very good option. You do one of those real quick. So we have triangle or arm drag. So A's and B's. Here. Yes, he rolls out. And I've got both arms in right here. Boom, yes. And as he's sitting up, he just did that to just climb the ladder. Right? So, let's work on that. 1, 2.